Hi, do you want to edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat? You're in the right video. If this video helps you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Alright, the first step is to right-click on the PDF and open it with Adobe Acrobat. Once open, click on Edit a PDF. Now, we can drag the text and move it higher. We can also change the font size, center the text, make it bold, and much more. Additionally, we can add images. If we want to delete a text, we position ourselves over it, right-click, and then click Delete. To save the file, simply click on File, then Save As, and choose the folder or save path. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe.